Hey, it's Trudy here, and I wanted to just give you a little bit of a sneak peek under the hood for what you can expect to see if you join our online business liftoff program. So, as you can see from what's on the screen there, we have our membership site, and you start by having a look at our membership guided tour. It tells you everything about the membership, and then you're going to go through a series of workshops. If you don't have a business idea, this is where you'll start and you'll go through our workshops and use your strengths, your life experience, problems that you see around you to come up with a business idea. As you go through the program, this bit here, My Lessons, gives you the step-by-step program to basically putting in place the things that you need to build in your own online business. And one of the things that people say to us is that, oh, I'm not very tech savvy. I'm a little bit rusty with my technology. It's been a long time since I've used technology. Could I really do this program? And the answer is yes, you absolutely can, because we take anybody, whether they're comfortable with computers or not comfortable with computers, and we help them learn how to use the software that you need to use to build your business. And we have a whole section here on online business tools, how to use them, how to get started using them. And we're adding to these all the time as we come up with new tools that we think will be useful for people. And we basically just show you how to use them. There's lots of information there, lots of training modules, really, really necessary. So if I just clicked on My Lessons, you can just see all the different kinds of lessons that we have there. And as you work your way through them, if you click Start Now, it will bring up the video, and you work your way through that session, and then it'll show you that it's 100% complete, so you can track your progress as you go through. So what else do you need to know in terms of this particular online business liftoff program, whether it's for you or not? One of the things that you should know is that we have some fantastic team members. We provide you with lots of team support, lots of hand-holding. We help guide you through the process. All of our team members actually have their own online business as well. And that means that they've learned a lot about what to do and what not to do, how to use the tools, how to make it work, how to find clients, all of the things that you need to know to speed up the process of starting your own online business. There are lots of other people just like you who are doing this program. We've helped a lot of people get started. So let me just quickly tell you a story about Martina. Martina is one of the people who's done our program. And she started out looking at the experience that she's had in her life and realized that she's got some really great, fantastic skills that can help other businesses with their marketing. And as part of the process, we helped her update her LinkedIn profile and incorporate some of the words that she was using for her business. And she just out of the blue one day, somebody said, look, I found you on LinkedIn. Are you interested in this job? And a long story short is that she actually got a job because she had updated her profile on LinkedIn. And she also has ended up with a business client for her business. So now she's in an interesting position where she's doing both her business on the side and also with starting this new job with the person that found her on LinkedIn. So that's pretty fantastic. So in the worst case, you might go through our program and you'll upskill yourself and then you'll get a job. Somebody will offer you a job. And we say worst case because that's at the very least. What we hope is the best case for you is that you can actually do the program, build your online business, and be successful in that, so to the point where you can quit your job and build the lifestyle that you actually want. So it's just a quick sneak peek under the hood, just giving you a little bit of information about what's here inside the Online Business Liftoff program. And just to say hello to you, and we would love to have you on board with us. If you're interested in joining us, fill out the questionnaire, go through and answer the questions, tell us a little bit more about yourself, and we'll be in touch after that. So all the best, and we'd hope to see you in the program.